There's quite the truck for you. It's a 2016 F-150. It's an XLT FX4 package. Local, accident-free. Under 44,000 kilometers. As you can see, it's been lifted. Aftermarket wheels and a big knobby tire. Beautiful truck. It's a 302A package, so you've got navigation, you've got the backup camera, tailgate step. See if we can get inside here. And of course, we have a twin panel moonroof. This is a beautiful truck. Again, it's local, it's accident free, and you'll find it at Brown Brothers Ford Lincoln, 270 Southeast Marine Drive in Vancouver.